Yeah, welcome back. As usual, we always follow the rules of fixing what we can see first. Yeah, so we've succeeded in cleaning this the carbon, even though the screen still did not display properly, but it's displaying inside in stage 2. Yeah, it's displaying inside. All right. Yeah, so we've been able to solve that first issue. Yeah, what we need to do right now is to remove the motherboard and see if there are further issue that need to solve so that the screen can display properly, because it's ordinarily is not meant to be displaying inside. All right, so let's remove the motherboard. Okay, don't do this mistake. The force of trying to remove screw, you may break screen. So let's not make the mistake. Quickly twist it, all right, so that we don't damage the screen. So you can position it this way. Yeah, so we can access our motherboard down. Okay. Disconnect everything that is attached to the board. Make sure everything is connected, all right? And remember, don't forget where you're losing your screws from. Okay, so what next? We'll take out the... Yeah, let me take out this one. Okay. Carefully take out every flex. In this work, you need to have nails. You keep nails too, alright? Yep. What is remaining? Whew. So let's okay, this one more. Let's remove. Okay, take this out too, as tiny as may look. Just careful, so to take all of them out, right? So yeah, another screw here, just taking this one out. Yeah, so we can take the board out now. carefully. Any damage? You can see any physical damage from here. Okay, this is the part that was fixed. Let's see. Under it, no physical damage. No. The spill that got to it is not even reflecting here. So that is taking us back. Yeah, it's taking us back here. So what's left? Okay, I'm seeing that this particular one is also breached. It's having some carbons line up on each leg. Alright, so we may need to clean it as well. Yeah, so let's clean this one. Let's clean it and then see why it's not displaying. To know why it's not displaying out. So that is displaying inside means 19 volts is not 19 volts is not reaching the screen. I'm just trying to save the system, see what we can do to bring it back to life. Alright, so let's heat it up again and then we test. I'm on the machine. Only the machine and then we heat it up to test again. Okay, so let's heat it, alright? It's hot. So let it cool, and then we'll allow it to cool down, so we'll test again. Now the board is cold. Let's quickly test it. Yeah, but before we test, let's be sure that voltage is even coming here, since that carbon affected that spot. Let's see if voltage is getting there before we connect again. I talk about 19 volts, not to be sure if all the voltages are there. Alright, so put this on ground, and let's see. Like we say, we want to check if put on meter to 20 volts. Want to see if there's voltage. If voltage is coming into this screen compartment. So let's check for 19 volts. All right. Yeah, we have 3.3 volts there. That's 3.3 volt there. All right. So we'll check if there's 19 volts. Yeah, 19 volts is coming in. So it's expected for the system to work now. So let's quickly test. But if it doesn't work, then we may want to consider the flex. We want to consider changing the screen flex. All right. So let's quickly put in and test again to see if the light has come up, the screen light has come up, or is still dim. Hold on. Okay, so our flex is probably connected. We may just have to quickly test it. So let's see. Let's flip it over so that I can ascertain it whether it's displaying or not. All right, so we'll drop the board here, and we'll plug in our charger. The flex is already connected to the board, so be careful that so that this the board does not breach. Don't let it touch any of the compartment. So plug in the charger. All right, so let's wait for it if it's going to display or not. I love it when my works are always successful, but this one I think is giving us a little more challenge right now. So let's see. Let's wait for it. No display in already. Okay. Same thing is happening to it. It's dim inside. I really wish you can see it. I don't know. Let's see. Oh it's actually displaying character inside, but it's not coming up. All right, if you look at this spot, you will see the blue light. Yeah, so like this I may just have to change the flex for the customer, right? So we consider changing the flex, and then I will give you feedback on it. All right, bye bye.